Hello everyone, welcome to the English Chatcast. I'm Ben, and I'm here with my co-host, Anna.
Hi there, I'm Anna, and we're so excited you're here.
Before we jump into today's English practice, we have a very quick but incredibly important favor to ask all of you. Please take just a moment to like this video and subscribe to the English Chatcast channel.
That's right. Subscribing and liking the video is a massive help to us. When you do that, the YouTube algorithm sees that real people are finding our English lessons valuable and engaging. It then recommends our podcast to thousands of other students around the globe who are searching for free, high-quality pronunciation practice.
Your support literally keeps this studio running and allows us to produce these lessons for you every single week. So please, hit that subscribe button right now to join our global community.
We appreciate you so much. Now, Ben, I am thrilled because I finally booked my flights to Mumbai for later this year, and I have been spending every spare minute reviewing my travel itineraries and brushing up on my Hindi greetings.
That is incredible news. I am doing the exact same thing with my Tagalog right now to prepare for my upcoming trip to Davao. But since we are both exactly 22 years old, we know perfectly well how fast-paced life can be and how precious your study time is. We promise to keep our studio chat extremely brief today.
We certainly did. Let's get right to work. Today, we are bringing you a massive, highly requested shadowing session. Shadowing is a remarkably effective language learning technique. You listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say. It trains your physical mouth muscles and your brain to use proper English pronunciation, intonation, and natural rhythm.
It is the absolute fastest way to sound completely natural when you speak. We're going to explain exactly how this works for you. You're going to hear each phrase or sentence twice, and you should repeat the phrase or sentence you heard while following the captions on the screen.
We have prepared 5 different sets of exercises for you today, and all 50 sentences are going to be short, easy, and heavily focused on talking about yourself in English.
They reflect exactly what you might say when talking about your family, your hobbies, your interests, or your career. I'll start us off with the first sentence in our first easy set, and then Anna will take the next one. Remember to speak up and practice right along with us. Let's begin. I read good books. I read good books.
My brother likes art. My brother likes art.
We eat fresh fish. We eat fresh fish.
I work at a store. I work at a store.
He drives a fast car. He drives a fast car.
My dad writes code. My dad writes code.
I need a new watch. I need a new watch.
She takes nice photos. She takes nice photos.
I walked to the cafe. I walked to the cafe.
We have a big cat. We have a big cat.
Great job, everyone! That is the end of the first set. Remember to project your voice confidently into the room and focus on the rhythm of the words.
Excellent advice. Now we're going to move right into the second set. These sentences will follow the exact same easy format, focusing on daily habits and family life. Keep up the great work. I play the piano. I play the piano.
My sister runs fast. My sister runs fast.
We like cold milk. We like cold milk.
I work at a zoo.
I work at a zoo.
He rides a red bike. He rides a red bike.
My uncle sells shoes.
My uncle sells shoes.
I want some hot tea. I want some hot tea.
She plants red roses. She plants red roses.
I run to the park. I run to the park.
We have a loud clock. We have a loud clock.
Fantastic work on that second set. You are doing amazing. Your pronunciation will improve so quickly if you keep practicing just like this.
Now we are ready for our third set. We are keeping the sentences short and simple so you can master your mouth movements without worrying about complex vocabulary. Take a deep breath and let's go. I clean the kitchen.
I clean the kitchen.
My cousin likes math. My cousin likes math.
We buy fresh bread. We buy fresh bread.
I work at a school. I work at a school.
He flies a small plane. He flies a small plane.
My aunt bakes cakes. My aunt bakes cakes.
I need a warm hat. I need a warm hat.
She draws cute dogs. She draws cute dogs.
I drive to the gym. I drive to the gym.
We have a soft rug. We have a soft rug.
Outstanding job, everyone. You are already past the halfway mark of today's lesson. Shake out your shoulders, stay relaxed, and keep your energy up.
Here comes our fourth set. We are continuing with practical, everyday sentences that you can use immediately in your daily English conversations. Let's jump in. I wash the car. I wash the car.
My nephew plays golf. My nephew plays golf.
We drink ice water. We drink ice water.
I work at a cafe. I work at a cafe.
He takes the early bus. He takes the early bus.
My grandpa tells stories.
My grandpa tells stories.
I want a cold treat. I want a cold treat.
She sings soft songs.
She sings soft songs.
I jogged to the beach. I jogged to the beach.
We have a green plant. We have a green plant.
Brilliant job on set number 4. We know 50 sentences is a lot of hard work, but repetition is truly the secret key to mastering a new language.
It really is. You have made it to the 5th and final set for today. Give it everything you have left and finish strong. Repeat after us. I sweep the porch. I sweep the porch.
My friend loves history. My friend loves history.
We eat sweet grapes. We eat sweet grapes.
I work at a library. I work at a library.
He sails a white boat. He sails a white boat.
My grandma knits hats. My grandma knits hats.
I need a new book. I need a new book.
She writes funny jokes. She writes funny jokes.
I hiked to the lake. I hiked to the lake.
We have a nice home. We have a nice home.
You did it! Fantastic job, everyone! You conquered all 5 sets today. We know that required a tremendous amount of focus, and we are incredibly proud of your dedication to improving your spoken English.
We highly recommend saving this video and coming back to it a few times this week. The more you vocalize these shadowing exercises, the faster you will naturally speak without translating words in your head first.
Thank you all so much for joining us for another productive episode of the English Chatcast. We absolutely love having you as a dedicated part of our community. Seeing your progress is what motivates us to keep creating these lessons.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep listening, and remember that learning English with us is anything but bad.
A piece of cake. Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time on the English Chatcast.